Welcome to Mass Traffic Monster. If you are looking for a solution to send positive signals to Google, your website is already optimized but you do not know what more you can do. You want to increase search engine rankings. You want to increase your organic traffic. You want to sell more on your online store. If those are your goals, Mass Traffic Monster will help you to reach them. Mass Traffic Monster Unlimited Traffic Solutions for Internet Marketers and Traffic Reseller Business. Mass Traffic Monster is designed to help users to increase their website's traffic with a single click in a simple way. Mass Traffic Monster is fully compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 7, all versions 86 and 64. Their traffic is the best traffic deal you will ever see. Visitors will come from search engines, PPC, directories, solo ads, safe lists, banner ads, text ads, pop-ups, expired domains and more. They guarantee that all your traffic will be visible, and you can check that in Google Analytics to make sure you are delivering what you are paying for. No need to spend hours trying to find new traffic sources. No more paying for any ads to send traffic to your websites or blogs. No BS. This helps them generate free targeted traffic to their own websites, e-com stores and blogs. You can define one or more keywords by campaign and get organic traffic. Mass Traffic Monster is so simple to use that you will only need a few seconds to set it up. No need to read a guide. The tool is simple and intuitive. Please visit masstrafficmonster.com.